Hello everybody, this is Ray from rayalbert.com with the third video in the video series of how to get more traffic to your website. And very excited about this one. You're going to learn some stuff. I just want you to know that I'm going to be using GetResponse as my tutorial because that's what I use. If you use Aweber or some other MailChimp or whatever, their system is set up probably the same way, just a different how do I want to put it, configuration is what I want to say. So with that said, I want you to enjoy film 3 or video 3 of this series, and I'll talk to you when it's all over with. Okay, bye. Okay folks, this video is going to be finishing up your lead magnet. It won't be finished at this point, of course. You're probably still going to have to do some work on it. But where we left off before was that you had written a draft of your lead magnet. Now you're going to try and finish it, and this is how we're going to do it. So just put the cup of coffee down and, let's get right to it so we can get her done, okay? So now, in Pomodoro 1, you're going to add finishing touches to your lead magnet. So you're going to read through it. You're going to incorporate new ideas. You're going to check for typos, add subtitles where appropriate, and trim paragraphs to 5 lines or less. And please use bullet points where you can. Now in Pomodoro 2, you're going to make it pretty, okay? You're going to use a type size that's easy to read. You're going to make the margins wide enough for people to add notes. And then you're going to add images to illustrate your ideas. And best places for royalty-free stock photos are the ones that are listed below. You can also Google royalty-free stock photos and probably get more sources for images, but this should do just fine. Now in the footer area, you want to make sure to add your website name and email address and a prompt to join your email list. And also do a copyright, okay? This is, I just put this in there, copyright information 2014 and your company name. That's all you need to legally be copyrighted. And then you want to finish it up and make your document into a PDF and go to print and save as PDF. Upload it to your site. Okay, so when you're all done with your lead magnet, you're going to upload it to your site. So congratulations, you'll be done once you get all that stuff finished. And so I'm going to come back to you in a second, but in the next tutorial we're going to create your sign up box. And like I said before, this is going to be done in GetResponse because that's my autoresponder that I use. If you use Aweber or another mail service, it would be a little bit different, the configuration, but they do have the means to do what I'm doing here. Okay, so here we go with the creating your sign up box. Okay, so we're going to start at the dashboard view in your GetResponse account. Now, this could be your Aweber account or whatever, but I'm sure they have a way for you to create a web form. Okay, that's what they're asking you to do. Just go to create a web form, and all those mail services have to create a web form someplace. And in the design step, choose the simplest opt-in box. So we're going to use this plain old opt-in box because you can change it to whatever you want, and I'll explain here in a minute. This is what it's going to look like when you start working with it. But let's go to the opt-in box itself. So what you want to do is you want to edit the headline so it looks the way you want it to look. Okay, and in GetResponse, to edit the headline, all you have to do is just hover over the headline, and this box will pop up, and you can type in. As you can see, you can change the font color and so forth and so on. You can put it in the center. You can do a lot with your heading. Okay. Then you want to edit the privacy statement to appear the way you want it to appear. Okay, so you just like this. Just click on the privacy. It's down at the bottom here at the footer, and you can click on privacy, and you can either click on that label, or there's different labels that you can click on for privacy down there. Now you want to control which ad appears by clicking the button on the bottom. Okay. Showed buttons are active. In this example, I've set the opt-in box to show name and privacy. So, like I said, on the bottom of your form, you can show whatever buttons that you want to show down there. Then you want to edit the button color to contrast with your website colors. So, all you got to do is over here on the left is where you can edit buttons and everything else here. It's probably already there, but make sure it just says your button over up in here, and then you could go over to the color side and just click colors, and this box will pop up, and you can make it the color that you want. Now you want to specify a link to your thank you page. Okay. So when you go over there, you want to have a custom thank you page. You don't want to have the default thank you page that's in GetResponse or any other web service out there. You want to have a custom made thank you page that looks really nice, and it represents your website, so it's going to look similar. Okay, so now once you're done with that, you're going to get your code for your website, and then you select you're going to install your web form and choose the JavaScript just above the white box that has all the line codes. Okay, so be sure you select all the code in the white box. Okay, so maybe I can make this a little bit simpler for you. Hold on. Okay, I just want to show you real quick what I'm in my. Okay, folks, I'm in my GetResponse account. I just wanted to show you this real quick, and this is the plain one that they were talking about doing here. But I just want to show you how easy it is. I didn't know if you could see it or not. But see, if you hover over this header and you click on it, you can make it say whatever you want to say. Like, "Hi, Bob." Whatever you want to say. So you would. I'm going to cancel that because I'm not going to do that actually. But see, up here, I just wanted to show you that this is where you can customize a lot of stuff. So if you wanted to do the submit button, you click the submit button, and if you click on the colors right there, nope, you'd have to go to the show advanced. I'm sorry. Okay, then you'd have to hit the colors right there, and you could change the color to whatever you want. You see how the color's changing? If you wanted to go up and make it a red, you could do that as well. Whatever color you wanted to make it. Okay, so that's how you do that. So submit button, and then you're going to hit this advanced. Okay, just so you can do what you want to do. But and as far as the footer area down here, and plus you could resize this thing as up and back, whatever you want. And so we respect your privacy there. If you didn't want that there, you could just click this button. You didn't want the get response thing there, you could just click this button. So whatever you want to do with that, you can do with that, and that's what they're talking about. And if you wanted to put in more things, like say you wanted to put in a birthday, you would just take this and you would just drag it over here, and you can put it wherever you want to, so you have your birthday, maybe you wouldn't want it there, maybe you'd want it down here, you know what I mean? So you could do whatever you want that way, company, country, whatever you want, okay? And your phone number, post, whatever you want to do. So you can do whatever you want to do here. Now if you wanted to, say you wanted to customize the body itself, you'd go to the body here, and the background you could change it to whatever you wanted to. I'm not sure what, see, so you could change it like that, bring this over. See how the body right here has changed colors. Okay, so you can do a lot with this, and then if you showed the advanced, there's no advanced stuff for that. So a lot of good stuff in here. You just got to play with it, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, so we're back to the tutorial, and now once you did that and you changed your settings, then you're going to want to publish it, and you just highlight this code, and then you would go into your website, if any kind of website that you could put your HTML in or your script in, so you could get your sign up button to show up. Let me show you on my website. So here we are in my website in the back office. You could just click here to see what the website looks like. But to put your script in there, go back to the dashboard. You want to go into where it says appearance, and you want to go to widgets. Okay. Now hopefully y'all got WordPress, because this is the easiest thing to work in. Okay. And then what you would do is you would come down here and you would grab the text box and bring it up over to here. Okay, now this is the right side of the box there, the right where everything is, and you just, oops, did I lose it? Okay, so here's the text box here. So then you would take your code and you would drop this box down. As you can see, I got code for mine in there. So you just put it in there like that, just copy and paste it in there, and then you hit save like that, and I'm going to close this now. And then if you go to your website, you'll see that the sign up box is there. It'll take a second here. There it is right there. Okay, that's how easy it is to do that, folks. Real simple. Now this part of the tutorial is just showing you the same thing I just showed you about where to put the code, and it's easier for me to just show you how it was. So just remember to go to appearance, then widgets, and make sure that now your sidebar is always on the right hand side, that you take the text box and put it in there, and then just copy and paste it into the text box like it's showing right there, and then you click save, and then boom, when you go to your website, your sign up box will be there. Now we have to set up your thank you page. Now you want to create a new page in WordPress, and you could title it how to confirm your subscription, and you could write a little thing there, thank you for signing up for my email list or your newsletter or whatever you're signing up for, and then you explain to them that a confirmation email is coming, and once you confirm, then you'll get the download link for your product or for the free offer that you're giving them. And this is the just an example of what this person did, how to start a consignment store, how to confirm your subscription, so it's very easy for people to do. And that's it. You set up your opt-in box, and so go take a break. You earned it, people. The next tutorial is going to be customizing your confirmation email and your welcome email.
So folks, I hope that wasn't too difficult. If it is, just leave me a comment down there and ask me to explain things, or you can email me directly, or go to my website and leave a comment in the comment box. You can always go to the contact. There's lots of ways to get in contact with me. I'd be glad to help out anybody that's having a challenge with it, because maybe for some people it's more difficult than it looks like. Not everybody is computer savvy. Not everybody knows stuff that other people know, that guess I'm getting off the track. Anyway, I will check you on the next video. I'm sure you'll enjoy it as well, and hopefully in 90 days you will have 1,000 signups, or even 10,000. Who knows? Well, we'll see you then.